Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you're on my channel for the first time, my name is Abidemi Abbas, and here I talk about finance and Africans in diaspora. So if you're interested in my channel, please click the like button, subscribe, and click on the notification button as well. Thank you. So today I'll be talking about the recent news that has just broken in Nigeria about the government banning on cryptocurrency. So if you're interested in that, please continue to watch. For the sake of clarity, what is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a decentralized digital currency that is not controlled by any central government. Now the question is, if this currency is not controlled by any central government, how come Nigeria is placing a ban on it? Can Nigeria, truly ban cryptocurrency? Now the truth is, Nigeria has just banned, the crypto trading. That means the banks, non-financial banks and other financial institutions that are regulated by the Nigerian government to stop trading crypto. So that's the instruction from the Central Bank of Nigeria telling these regulated institutions to stop trading cryptos and to stop them from facilitating any payment for the sake of crypto trading. But in actuality, it is not a crime for you to own cryptocurrency in Nigeria. You're free to own Bitcoin, you're free to own Ethereum, and you're free to even own a Dogecoin, and that's the popular coin in town right now. So Nigeria can't really ban cryptocurrency because Nigeria has no control over cryptocurrency. However, Nigeria can make rules on how cryptocurrency is being traded. Now, there has been a recent news about some publications that after the United States of America, Nigeria is, that country that is also in massive use of cryptocurrency, and there are so many reasons for that. So we're going to talk about that reason. So the number one reason for that is cryptocurrency is being treated as an asset by by virtually almost everyone in the world right now. So cryptocurrency being treated as an asset, and the fact that people tend to buy and hold crypto with the idea that it's going to go up in value in the nearest future. And over the past years, we've been able to see that. I myself, for example, in 2017, I bought my first Bitcoin, for the value of £800. And we all know what, the current price of the current price of Bitcoin is as of today in 2021. So being treated as an asset, you buy low with expectation to sell high, for you to make profit. So let's say in the recent dip because of the coronavirus, if you buy Bitcoin, it was trading, as low as within $5,000 to $6,000 to $7,000, during the recent pandemic news in March 2020, and as of January 2021, the current price of crypto is like $40,000 as I speak today. All right, so that's a very great profit for you to even buy and hold from March up to today. That's fantastic profit. So people are treating crypto as an asset for them to lock in profit. And we all know the news in Nigeria, there lack of employment opportunities, hostile environment for business and trading. But if Nigerian youths are so smart, and they've been able to see this opportunity, they get themselves involved in crypto trading for them to be able to make a side income, even if that is not their main hustle. And that's one of the reasons why cryptocurrency, Bitcoins and the likes are very commonplace in Nigeria. And aside from that, the Nigerians living abroad, as people living in diaspora, when they want to handle their remittance, instead of them to look for a third party, somebody like me, that's what I do. So if you want to send money home to Nigeria, you come to me, you give me your pounds, and I try to remit your naira home to the receiver back home. So I am the third party right here. But with crypto, something like Bitcoin, you don't really need a third party. You can actually send, so you can use it from peer to peer. That is, you buy your crypto in London and send it to your receiver's account in Nigeria. And that way, it is very, very direct. You're not paying no charges. You're not paying no commission. So Bitcoin makes remittance it makes it an easy phenomenon for you to be able to send money home, and it's becoming really, really popular, and Nigerians are loving it. Right. So the third reason is Nigerians actually use cryptocurrency to preserve their capital. We all know that the value of the naira is always depreciating year in, year out. So for example, the pounds to naira, so one pound was actually 450. 1 pound was actually 450 naira last year, but today a pound is like 600 naira. So imagine that. So if you have naira against pounds, your money is always depreciating. But if you, instead of holding naira, you can decide to hold cryptocurrency, and that way your money gets to increase in value. Like the example I made earlier, Bitcoin was trading for $5,000 last year, and as at this morning, it's trading for $40,000. That's a massive increase in value. So somebody who's knows about the risk, knows more about cryptocurrency, they can actually decide not to hold their value in naira and decide to hold it in cryptos. However, the Nigerian government doesn't really like this, based on the fact that we all know that cryptocurrency is a very, very volatile and a risky asset. So what they're trying to do, they're trying to control the space, knowing fully well that no central government has any control over crypto. But however, they can control how crypto is being traded. And that's why they're telling these financial institutions, the banks and non-financial the banks and non-banks financial institutions, to stop trading crypto and stop facilitating payment of crypto exchange. However, you can buy crypto from peer to peer. So for example, if you need a cryptocurrency, you can come to me, tell me you need a cryptocurrency, then I'll transfer the crypto to you based on peer to peer. Then you pay me in naira. That way, we don't necessarily need, the bank don't really know what you're actually paying for, but you can send, you send money to my account, then I'll send you your crypto. Even if the bank knows I send you a crypto, it is no crime for you to own cryptocurrency. However, if the bank knows that the payment is for you buying crypto, they could actually close your account, and that's what's been happening in Nigeria. So now the questions are, why does the Nigerian government ban crypto trading? In actual reality, they didn't give any reason for banning crypto trading. However, there was a circular in 2017 that they told the banks to stop trading crypto, and they actually came back yesterday to tell banks to stop trading crypto, and this time around it's actually a firm decision, and there are punitive measures to any bank that decide not to follow that regulation. Now the questions that we're all asking is, why is the Nigerian central bank stop trading crypto? We all don't really know. So one of the speculative reasons why I think the government stopped crypto trading is for the fact that during the EndSARS protests in October, people were actually, contributing money to support this protest. However, the banks closed these people's accounts, and while these accounts were being closed, then people resort to using Bitcoin to support this movement, and the central government, really frowned on this. I think this could actually be one of the reasons why they stopped crypto trading in Nigeria. I could be wrong. The second speculative reason that I think the Nigerian government is trying to ban the crypto is based on the fact that they're trying to control, the demand for foreign currency. For example, the Nigerian government has placed a restrictive measure on how much you can actually, on how much dollar you can actually buy or send it to other country through your domiciliary account. And they're doing this on trying to restore the value of the naira against other foreign currencies. We all know that in a place whereby there is high demand for other currencies, the value of that currency is going to go up, while the currency that you're selling, the price of that value is going to go down. So a lot of people are actually selling naira to buy dollar, thereby pushing the price of the dollar to go up and pushing the value of the naira to go down. And the central bank, has been successful in putting a restrictive measure in this domiciliary account. However, there has been a little effort in controlling the cryptocurrency, in controlling the Bitcoin. So what people actually do is, if you cannot get dollar with this domiciliary account, they can actually resort in doing in looking for the alternative, which is cryptocurrency, which is Bitcoin. So you can actually buy a Bitcoin, send it abroad, and that way you can use it to fulfill your transaction. However, it's becoming difficult for the Nigerian government to achieve the result. What I think, to achieve the result of trying to restore that value. The higher the demand, the higher the price. And if there is high demand for dollars, the price of the dollar is going to go up, and people are selling pounds for dollars, the value of naira is going to go down. And I think that is what they think is actually happening. But in the actual sense, that's not really the solution. The solution is, why are people going for dollars? Why are people buying dollars? And if you look at that, it's just for international trade. People are buying dollars to export, to import goods from abroad into Nigeria. So what the government actually needs to do is for them to focus, on productions in Nigeria. If people are producing, in mass, if people are producing en masse in Nigeria, people can actually, come to Nigeria to buy goods, and people can even demand, before you buy goods in Nigeria, then that means you need the Nigerian naira. So a high demand for the naira is going to push the value of the naira to go up. But for you to be able to, to produce in Nigeria, you need access to capital. And the cost of capital in Nigeria is very, very expensive. Like the interest rate, for example, the interest rate in Nigeria is double digits, if not 10% or 11%. That's very, very expensive. I think that is one of the problems. If the Nigerian government, wants the value of the pounds to grow, the value of the naira to be strong, they need to see into that. Look at your interest rate, make the cost of capital friendly, let people have access to credit facilities. That way they'll be able to increase production in Nigeria, and that way people can buy from Nigeria, demand more for naira for you to be able to pay, and that way I think the naira can begin to see a steady value in increase. The banning of crypto, come on, I don't think that's gonna work. And mind you can't ban cryptocurrency, Bitcoin. This Bitcoin is people's money. No central government can control that. And for you to know, it is not illegal for you to own Bitcoin. You just need to know how to buy Bitcoin. Look for somebody that's ready to sell their Bitcoin, buy from them, send money to their account, and voila, that's it. Right. Thank you guys. If you like this session, please click the like button, subscribe, and thank you.